It's gonna sound a lot better already. Things are gonna sound natural still. Really nice. It's not gonna try to go through your process.
Change the settings on the GoPro to what this guy on there says he knows the stuff about it. Actually, I think it's working. Basically, it's to help with that flutter with the LEDs. We're gonna see. Oh, actually, I think it did come out better. Shooting the bathroom around. Gotta paint these edges here. Put some silicone in here all along this edge, all along these edges. I just gotta repaint and touch that up. Silicone all in behind the shower. Floor is nice and clean. Ready for the tile when contractor gets a hold of me type deal. We'll see what's going on with that. So just doing a little test.